Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's tip: recognize that SEO isn't just about keywords. So when you're talking about search engine optimization, or SEO, a lot of people just think you're talking about keywords. And don't get us wrong, keywords are important. You're going to want to make sure that you do thorough keyword research on what's important to your website when you're talking about driving traffic. And there are a lot of great resources to that. But there's also a lot of other elements that impact just as much, if not more so, than keywords. Some of the elements that you need to keep in mind are speed, security, mobile friendliness, and shareability. How easy your website is able to be shared through social media, through other aspects. These are all things that do make a positive impact on your search engine ranking. So when you are researching your keywords, don't neglect to take care of the performance aspect of your SEO as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.